quality so bad and how to fix it. So today I'm going to give you a breakdown of about 5 points which will help you to get the best from your existing camera that you're using. Live streaming is not too difficult. It can be quite easy to actually achieve good quality. If you've seen the thumbnail of this video, you'll notice that half the screen is on a bad quality, you could call bad, and half is on a better quality. What was the difference? Why did that look so much better? It's actually the same camera. All we did was play with a few things which I'm going to share with you today. So let's get straight into it. The first one is the camera. The camera plays a big part in your live streaming quality. You can use most cameras these days. You may have seen videos on my channel where I look at a webcam, as in a laptop webcam built in. I used an action camera, which I can show you here, which looks like that. So all of these things will help you because you can actually set up in a way that they let you make the best of the angles, the light available to you, if you have additional lighting. So the second thing to think about is light. You can get a really old camera and use 2 decent lights to make it really well lit up. I did a recent survey on my YouTube channel where I actually showed that. I asked, what do you think is more important, the light or the camera? And a lot of people voted for the light, which was actually quite good because that shows that people already know you can use an old camera and get really good quality from it with a good light. Apart from that, the placement is very important, where you put the camera down. You'll have to play with this. When you do a recording session, find a spot and use your camera there. Do a little test session for a couple of seconds, like maybe 5 or 10 seconds. Move the camera somewhere. I'll see how that looks. How does it perform with the light and the camera? Again, some cameras perform better in low light than others, but if you have your own light, that will help a lot more. Software is a good one because different softwares record in different ways. So you want to make sure you get the best from that. Are you recording directly onto your camera's SD card? In that case, you'll have that to edit later on. Are you recording it through a live streaming setup? Most of the times, if you're going to live stream, you will be using it for live streaming like I'm doing now. This is a live session that I'm recording. So these little things need to keep in mind. There's a few additional things that I'll cover. For example, some cameras, like the 4K cameras, there's actually quite a interesting challenge, I'll call it. They're 4K action cameras, but when you use them as webcams, they're actually not 4K quality. So if you look at this next video I made about this, you'll actually find out what I mean by this. So I'll see you on that next video.